Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do password recovery and reset factory for 3560CX Cisco switch. As you can see here, I have a console connection to the switch and the switch has a mode button here. The switch is off right now. I open a console connection, I use the serial, I'm using mobile external software. This is the serial connection, the speed is 9600 and I click OK. Right now it doesn't show anything because the switch is off. Now I turn on the switch. You can see some text appears on the console connection. And when it wants to initialize the flash, I keep the mode button for a few seconds and then I release it. And the switch goes into the RAM mode. It is testing the memory right now to see if it is okay or not. Okay, I press the mode button now and keep it just for a few seconds and now I release it. This way the switch goes into the RAM mode. I can use this command flash underline init. It initializes the flash. This part also takes longer than other switch models, so we need to wait for a couple of seconds. Now the initialization of the flash is done. I can type dir flash here to see the content of the flash. There are two files that are important to me, this config.txt file and this vlan.dat. This one contains the configuration of the switch and this one contains the configuration of the VLAN numbers. If I want to do the reset factory, I can delete both files. I mean this file and this file. And if I want to do the password recovery, I can rename this file. So when the switch boots, it doesn't have a config.txt, it boots as a fresh switch, and then you can rename back that file to config.txt. For example, imagine that I want to do password recovery. If I type question mark, I can see that one of the commands that I can use is rename. So I can rename a file. I can type rename flash config.txt to, for example, flash config-old.txt. Now if I type dir flash again, I can see that I have config-old but not config.txt. If I boot the switch now, it will come up as a fresh switch without any configuration. I can also delete files. For example, if I want to delete a file, I can say delete flash and then the file name. Here I don't need these VLAN numbers, so I can delete them. And I type yes. And now I can boot the switch. I type boot and it starts booting the switch. It's going to take some time, so I'm going to pause the video and start recording when it is finished. Now the boot process is done. It is asking me that if I want to enter the initial configuration dialog, I say no. And now the switch is here without any configuration. If I type show run, it doesn't have any configuration. If I type dir flash here, I can see I have that old config file here. If I want, I can rename it, for example, flash, and then rename it back to config.txt. This way, after renaming that file, I can configure the username and password. For example, username Cisco privilege 15, secret Cisco, something like that. And if my goal was to do the reset factory, the switch is without any configuration right now. In this video, we saw how we can do password recovery or reset factory for a Cisco 3560CX. Thank you so much for watching this video.